It's the 25th of September 2020, and I've just bought this Miyata 712 from the 90s. Particularly, you can see that it's a 90 model with this one integrated and these types of handles. The guy said that he didn't know if it was a puncture but it is a puncture, of course. He didn't tell me about the bad shape of the chain, and he told me something was wrong with the cage here, the foot cage, but I don't know. Seems to be working for me. Nah, okay, here we have it, yeah. It's the plastic here. No big deal. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix this up. I'm gonna clean it up and re-grease the bearing and so on, and probably resell this. I bought it for 1,000 Swedish crown. I had to be fast. I had to be faster than the other ones. So and I got lucky. So even though there had been others on it, I was fast. Here we have some, you see, also evidence of being outside, so probably can be rust in there or something. This might be stuck here. It's been standing outside with a lot of moisture. Have to see that. Okay, so that's an introduction. Got the biospace. That means that it's not round, it's oval, a bit of oval. These are I love. Small pieces everywhere. They've replaced this one, and this one is probably newer, and I haven't seen this one before. It's some kind of holder. It is not correct right now. So I'm doing some renovation, and I'm gonna see. We're just gonna remove the cassette here. It has a cassette on this one. It's not a free wheel. On the free wheel you have this sort of threads. Yeah, no problem. Came right away. There we have the free hub and the cassette. It says Hyperglide, and it has 13 teeth, the small one here, and then we have some sort of a washer here, and then there's 14 teeth, and that's how far you can pull it apart. 13 to 21 is the original size. There we have it. So it does fit. It's a bit off, so I'm gonna adjust it. As you can see, the brakes here are not on the same place, so you won't have any brakes unless you somehow can move this, but you can't get it to fit. You can see here it's really off. Can you see it? So this is after. At least it's better. It's really hard to get it perfect. So while we're at it, let's check out the bearings. I've re-greased it on this side. It has 9 ball bearings in total. You can see the other side down there. There should be 9 of them. Yes. So I'm gonna clean it and put it back. And right now I'm just using an old bearing oil. I'm using bearing grease. It's better than the old one. These are some of the old ones. So it's getting fresh. It's an overhaul. It's always nice to check out the cones if there are any marks, but this looks great. It hasn't been used much. We also have this one here. Looks great, no damage. So I find that it's nice to have a look and see how much the bike has run and how fresh everything are, and then make a note of it and what you've done. So re-greased the ball bearings. So here we have two 712. I do believe they are the same size, but I think there might be a year or two between them. This one I believe is a 93 or 92. It has steel cages here, and it's another color on this one than if you compare it to this one. You have the reddish here, and you got the plastic shoe holder. This is broken, unfortunately. I have to find some new piece there, and it's been dry there. Gotta grease it up. Yeah, this has been standing outside a lot. I just fixed the puncture. It was a puncture on the back, and well, otherwise I really don't see that much of a difference. This also has the leather saddle. This is the brand. It's the same here, but it's torn, or it's black. You have the Miata logotype there. Nice one. Really like that. Unfortunately not on the fork here. But you got the spline triple butted tube, Miata exclusive tubing. You got the Volber GTA 2. Nothing really fancy, but okay. Got 7 gears in the back and 2 in the front, so 14 total. Crap there, gotta clean this one, it's dirty. So I've just sold this one. I hope they will come and pick it up today. So no longer 2 of them. Yeah, I'm a collector. If I didn't say that, I did collect, but now I'm getting rid of them one by one. I have another one here. I'm also trying to sell a Crescent 9318. Yeah, they ride really great, these bikes. Feel really good. It's perfect size for me. I think this is 54 centimeters height of frame. Here we have them side by side, and looks to me they're the same size. However, this has been a bit higher here, and the Sake it's a bit higher, so it looks higher. Got the mud flap here, that's nice. Don't know what brand that is. And you got the Shimano RX100. So there's probably been a lock here, scrabbing away. And on this one we have the scratching here on the back instead. Yeah, it's been some bad stains there by the lock. RX100 Super SLR. Not much tear on this one, and I have been through the bearing here. They're really nice shape. It hasn't rolled a lot, and you can see here there's no rust here. I mean, on this one we have almost surface rust on that one, but I think I can get it away. It's aluminium. That's the great thing about it. Hard to get it to rust. You can see on the chain there is also, even though I greased it up, there's some rust paint on it, surface rust. Sake on this one and strong on that one. They put the 100 mark here on this one, and they put it down there on that one. This one doesn't have it, so they move it around, and you got a different sort of sticker here from that one. Chromo STB. You can see also the surface rust. Been standing outside, but hardly any tear on the rubber, so hasn't been used much, I think. And these are in good shape also on both. Yeah, looking from this side, that one almost looks a bit higher, right? Yeah, might be some centimeter. This looks the same. And the steering is the same, GT or CT from Japan. Sake on this one, Japan, yeah, it's the same one. So this inner tubing routing makes the bike looks much cleaner. This one has an extra bottle holder. So let's see if it's straight. Pretty much. It's some smaller. Let's check out the front. Yeah, looks good. Mundialita, Mundialita, Mundialita. Släppte den? Hoppar den alltså? Du menar att den hoppar över? På vilken kugg då? Compare it with this one. This is much more heavier but very smooth drive. This saddle Ideale from France, it cost 3,000 Swedish crowns. Really nice one.
Nej, nu släppte han.
Gjorde inte det?
Jag tog i allt med.
So this is the before, and a couple of minutes later, at least better. So these must be the original tires. They are in 700 times 20C. So on these rims you can have perhaps maximum 25 size here, 622 times 25 or 725C. So this must be the original tires. That's great. Means that the bike hardly has ridden anything. You can't get Miata tires in Sweden. And here in the back we also have the Miata tire, but unfortunately it has some tear here, so this will pop sooner or later, unfortunately. But wow, check out the colors, it just pops red. I love the pop red color.